Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. We are continuing with the inflation session. In this session we will be talking about the effects of inflation. Effects means who is actually affected by this inflation. If the prices rise, who is affected positively or negatively, we are going to look into. I have already talked about that inflation is not bad. A mild inflation is good. How it is good? Let us look. If there is a rise in prices, it leads to increase in the profit margins for the producers. As the profit margins to the producers rise, they will be inclined to produce more. As they are inclined to produce more, the employment in the economy will rise. People will get employment. As they get employment, they get income. As they get income, national income rises, investments rise, economic growth will also rise. So these all things will be towards upside, or there will be somewhere a growth in the economy which can be witnessed. But again, if there is a mild inflation, if there is a very heavy inflation or double digit inflation, it is not good for the economy, and a double digit inflation further rises very fast. Now there are certain people who will not benefit out of inflation. So let us look into who is going to benefit and who is not going to benefit. So very first, if we talk, those who are with fixed income group, they will be losers. Why they will be losers? Because their salaries have not changed, but the prices of the commodities have changed. So they are shelling out more money for the same amount of goods what they are purchasing. Whereas if we talk about the business people, they are the beneficiaries because they have comparatively higher profit margins. So fixed income groups will be losers and business people will be the gainers. Same way we can talk about the workers or the wage earners. They will be losers because again their incomes have not increased, but their expenditures have increased because of inflation. Again, the producers or the traders, they will be at a benefit. Talking about further, if we talk about farmers, if the prices are not regulated, the rich farmers are going to benefit. But if the prices are regulated or administered by the government, then nobody is going to benefit. Same way we can talk about the debtors. Debtors are the one who are giving money or loan. They are giving money when the prices are less, and they will be receiving when the prices increase. So they will not increase the required return on it, and therefore they will be losers. Whereas opposite to it, creditors will be at a benefit. Why they will be at a benefit? Because when they are returning, because of inflation, they have not been affected much. So like this, the inflation has an effect on different people in different way. I hope this was fruitful for you as a session. Thank you very much.